Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word neuronal. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The scientist conducted research on the neuronal activity in the brain to understand how information is processed. Neuronal refers to anything related to or involving neurons, the specialized cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals in the nervous system. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.